Sandy Franco with First American Home Warranty, and I'm a proud partner with Rudy and have been for the past 6 years as his home warranty partner for Team New Vision. So what I do is I provide home warranty service to the buyers and to the sellers, and that covers your basic systems and appliances before escrow closes and after escrow closes. I'm vital to helping make sure the transactions go smoothly, and if any of the clients have questions, they can call me directly. And that's why Rudy trusts me, because I'll take care of the clients for him. Working with Rudy is different than other real estate offices. He's got this team concept, and everyone's got their one job on the team, and that's kind of cool. So all I have to bring to the team is the very best home warranty service, and that's all he ever asks of me, and that's what's fantastic.
It means a lot to me to be able to work with Rudy and his team. They're one of the #1 team in California in RE/MAX, so it's an honor for us to be able to work with Rudy this year. And we're very excited. We have a lot of products that we are able to bring, and we would like to grow this partnership and see where it goes.
Hi everyone, this is Mary from Rudy Consumer Home Selling Team. Our team have a really intensive training for the last 3 days. It has been so awesome, and we are so thankful for all of the trainer, Michelle, Stella, Rudy, and all of the vendors who update us with all of the new information that accessible to our team. And one of the most touching spot that I have learned during the last 3 days is buyer don't need home. What we need to do is to find out their vision and fulfill their dream. Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, my name is Song, and today our training was about how to do pricing strategy, how to at the listing appointments, and it's all about sticking to the system and not going differently, going different direction. It's a song, so everything has to flow and not be missing any music notes and any off key to be able to be successful.